I'm going to be attempting my second paint pour ever, and right now I have 2 different tables. I've painted the tops both white, and may eventually be painting the legs of gold color, but for now, while I'm doing the pour, I'm gonna keep them as is because it's probably gonna get pretty messy. So what I didn't do in my first paint pour is I didn't put, I had the surface painted, but I didn't put like a wet coat of my base. So I'm gonna do that. I have it mixed right now. It's just some white acrylic paint with the paint pouring medium, and it's a pretty liquidy mixture right now. So I'm gonna just do that right now. Get a nice clean surface, and then I'll do my dirty pour after, and then hopefully it'll smooth out a lot better than my first attempt. We're just seeing if this is a good technique, making sure it's already all on the sides. And I'm realizing now that I should have worn gloves, but I'll just go wash my hands before I mix my next mix and actually do my paint pour. So I have my dirty pour cup here, basically my colors, 3 colors mixed together. And I'm hoping that I only use 1 cup, but I think I might have to use 2 cups per table. I think it could have still been a bit more liquidy. So rather than use my other cup, I'm just going to put a bit of white. And this one is looking okay so far. I do have a bit of edging that I want to fix up, but I'm going to do the next table and then see how much paint I have left. I'm just going to do my second table while I have this cup, and then I might change, add a bit more colors in the center. But this one I'm manipulating a lot more. And I just have 3 colors. My white, I have a silver, a gold, and then just kind of a medium to dark gray. I like that they both look different, but I definitely need to add a bit more paint. I did 1 more cup on this table, and it's perfect right now. I like how it turned out. I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to do 1 more pour on this one. Even though I really like how this is, the edges need a lot more paint. So I'm just going to kind of manipulate it here and along the edges. Especially here where it's a bit white still, and then tilt it. Like I said, it's a lot easier with these table legs. It's a lot easier for the video, but I will have some messes to clean up along the edges. One thing that I didn't do last time that I'm definitely going to do this time is wipe up some of the drips, and that way I'm hoping it won't have all these bumps that dry. And I'm also going to wipe the legs because I do want to paint them and I don't want any bumps in my paint. I don't think I got too much on this one, or maybe it's hard to tell, but you can see I did get a lot on the dark table. Then I can kind of